Good day everyone, I am hadz.leeeeee from the Philippines. I am a third-year Bachelor of Secondary Education, major in English student at the Nueva Ecija University of Science and Technology. Today, I will show you how to create a virtual classroom using the Facebook application. Let us now start creating our own virtual classroom using the Facebook application. The first step is to download the Facebook app from the Google Play Store into your mobile phones. As for me, I already downloaded the application, so I will now open it. At the upper right corner of your screen, you can see that there are three horizontal lines. All you have to do is to click those lines and click Groups. After clicking the Groups option or Groups feature, you can see at the upper right corner of your screen a plus or an addition sign. Click that sign and choose Create a Group. Now, you can see that Facebook is asking you to name your group and choose your group's privacy. As for my group's name, let's just check my clipboard because I already copied the information regarding this Facebook Learning group. So, okay. My group's name is Oral Communication in Context, GAS 11 Einstein. I included the strand, the year level, and the section of my class. As for my group's privacy, I choose private because this group will only be used for academic purposes. Now click Create Group. You will be directed to this step wherein you need to invite your friends in order for them to join your group. I decided to skip this step as I want to focus more on personalizing my Facebook Learning group. I can do that later anyway. So now, there are three basic steps for you to have your own learning group. The first step is to add a cover photo. Click Upload Cover Photo. Choose a photo from your gallery. Click Done. Drag to adjust in order for your photo to look more appealing in the eyes of your students. Now you're done. Click Save. Wait for your photo to be uploaded. Now it's done. Click Next. The second step is to add a description of your group. Let's check my clipboard again for my group's description. Okay, click Next. The next step or the last step is to create your first post or your welcome post. Okay, let's check my clipboard again. Let's add hello everyone. And thank you at the end. Thank you. Now I'm done. I will now click Post. So you will be notified if your post is already created. As for me, my post is now created. Now I will click Done. And there you have your own Facebook Learning group or your Facebook virtual classroom. This is my Facebook group's description, my first post or my welcome post, and my group's cover photo. Now let's personalize this group more by clicking the settings. The settings can be found at the upper right corner of your screen. Now, click Group Settings. Okay, the group type. Click Group Type and change from General to Social Learning because this group will be used for learning. Apply Group Type. Okay, so your group is now for social learning. If you want to assess every profile that wants to join your group, you can click the member questions under the membership category. Okay, there you have it. So add question. Kindly state your name, age, and subject. Okay. Written answer. Now, click Save. There is also a feature where you can add group rules. Now, let's create rules. Turn on the group rules so that the rules you chose will be visible. Now, click Return. Who can post in your group? So, anyone can post in my group. So, there you have your Facebook virtual classroom. I will now post the important things that my students should know about my subject. The class schedule. Okay, let's add more. Class schedule, the subject description, the key standard, and my welcome message. Now click Next. I will put a caption saying, here's everything you need to know regarding, about this subject. Let's type dear all. Dear all. Dear all. Oh. Okay. Sincerely, Ma'am hadz.leeeeeee. Okay. So, I will also use hashtags. If it's a class schedule, then hashtag class schedule, hashtag or subject description, description, key standard, welcome message. By using these hashtags, these posts or these pictures will fall into the topic feature of this group. In that way, it will be more easier for my students to see this post. Now click Post. Wait for the photos to be uploaded. Okay, now it's done. Let's refresh the Facebook Learning Group. And there you have your first upload. Okay, I mark this post as an announcement and I will pin it to the top. Now I'm done. I will now invite my students in order for them to join my Facebook Learning Group. Okay, so let's invite my students. And done. You can also copy the link of your Facebook Learning Group and send it to your group chats for your student to be able to join your group. So that's how you create a virtual classroom using the Facebook application in an easy way. So, thank you for watching.